This is a step-by-step process of how to create a Google Business Profile account. So you go to Google and look for this icon and either tap this one, or you go to business.google.com and then it will bring you to this particular place. So it will say find and manage your business or add your business to Google. So click on add your business to Google. And it will bring you to the next screen where you'll be asked to add the name of your business. So you put a name that you want to use for your business, and the category, you select the category. So this one is a restaurant, so I just selected fast food. Then you click on next. It will bring you to the next screen where you'll be asked that do you want to add a location so that customers can visit your like a store. So click on yes and then click next. Then you'll be asked to select the country, the street address, and then the city. So make sure all those are selected. Then from there it will ask you whether they will normally look for businesses that are closer there and they are also in your category, and ask you whether any of them belongs to you. If that is not it, so you just click below it, you see something like none of these. So you click on next, select it and click on next. It will take you to the next screen where you'll be asked to indicate where exactly you are located. So for example, they brought me to the street address that I selected. So you can just click on reset, or you click on the plus and minus buttons just to adjust to exactly the location that you are. Then when you are certain that is done, you have chosen the right location, click on done. It brings you to the next step. You can click on next. Then it will say you do provide deliveries or home and office visit. So you click on yes and then you click next. Then it will ask you to indicate the areas you serve. So for example, Manhattan, New York. So this one, I serve Accra. This business is for Accra. So you put it, then you click on next. Then you will be asked to put your phone number. And then after you put it, you click on next. If you also have website, you can add. Now here, it will ask you that if you get more updates about your business, you click on yes. And then it will bring you to this place and ask you to verify. Now, to verify, there are two options, either phone number or business video. So the phone number is the best because that one, you just click on next, they will send you the code, then you put the code there. So for example, you put a code and then just verify, just like what you see here. Then when I put a code and I click on verify, it says you are being verified by Google. It may take up to 5 days until your verification is reviewed. So they have to review your verification, and when that is complete, your business will show on Google. So you click next, and then you will be asked to indicate. This one is a restaurant. Depending on whatever business profile you are creating, you may be asked to choose answer other additional questions that will help them optimize your Google business profile for you. So this one, for example, they were asking whether we do pickup inside the restaurant, whether customers can pick up orders outside the restaurant, all of that. I take yes and I click on next. It brought me here and it asked me to describe the business. So you just take a short, just some short description. You add it and click on next again, and then it will bring you here where you'll be asked to add photos of your menu, your business. This one, because it's a restaurant, they were asking for photos of the menus that we serve. So I added all that we serve. Then I clicked on next, and then it is done. Now they are reviewing it. So when the review is complete, the business will be live on Google. That is exactly the process you need to follow to be able to set up your business profile on Google. When I come and search, it tells me that the business is not publicly visible yet. It's because they are reviewing it. If the review is complete, when I come and search, it will just show here, just like what is here. Yeah. If you follow it and you have any problem, remember to leave your comments in the comment section. Also subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video for other more powerful videos. See you in the next video. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me if you have any problem. Bye.